Kesorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance kan sakot lasai kasngi yaka Harijan Panchayat Committee banyakren halor ke jingpen kenria jaka syong yaki lais pak sopo arteli kilong ying jong ki karmetor na tem yomolong syakwater jong ke Selong Municipal Board SMB kabaladan lupa. Apa pentip sepangkan ni Menteri Ketenat Penroisor ibak senyum halang dahar ila pentip bahagan ni ke jingilang an penlong ke jingikren halor ke jing terwa jong ke high level committee. Komiti kelarai bansna yaki ying malah haki jaka ke bapalat ar akar ke bandon kat ar blok na ke bantaban a jaka syong ya barok lais pak sopo arteli kilong ying kat ba ketenat ke kampen roisor kadang pen krek ya ke DPR na ke bantakan ni.
The process of understanding is under process now. The question of rejection doesn't arise from any side. When everything falls into place, that is the same for sanction, for construction. That does not make any problem. No, the question of consider and not consider doesn't arise. We are yet to come into understanding. Maybe there is some condition we have to accept. Maybe there is some condition we have to remove. That is always the process of dialogue.